I've tested a range of pneumatic staple guns, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I took them through their paces, from DIY projects to professional tasks, so you know exactly what you're getting. Let's dive into the top 5 staple guns on the market today and see which one is right for you.
Product number 1, Metabo HPT Narrow Crown Stapler. When I first got the Metabo HPT Narrow Crown Stapler, I couldn't wait to put it to work. We live in a world where precision is key, especially in furniture and cabinetry. This 18-gauge stapler is incredibly lightweight at just 2.3 pounds, making it a joy to handle. I took it out for a weekend project, assembling a new bookshelf and installing trim around my living room. The ergonomic design made it easy to maneuver, and I quickly found myself reaching for it again and again. The adjustable depth feature is a game changer. I could easily adjust the depth without any tools, ensuring that I got a professional finish, regardless of the material I was working with. The selective actuation switch is a fantastic touch that lets you choose between sequential fire or contact nailing, depending on your needs. I found myself toggling between the two modes smoothly, which made quick work of my projects. The pros of this stapler include its lightweight construction, ease of use, and the capacity to hold up to 100 staples, which kept me from constantly reloading. The 360-degree adjustable exhaust feature is another thoughtful feature, as it allows you to direct air away from your face, making the work environment more comfortable. On the downside, some users might find it lacks a bit of power for heavier-duty applications, but for fine trim work, it's perfect. The price point at around $79 is reasonable considering the quality and performance. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly stapler that excels in fine finish work, the Metabo HPT Narrow Crown Stapler is a solid investment. It's lightweight, highly efficient, and designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.
Product number 3, Wen 61722K 2-in-1 Pneumatic Nailer and Stapler. I tried the Wen 61722K 2-in-1 Pneumatic Nailer and Stapler. This tool caught my eye because of its versatility. Being able to shoot both brads and staples means it can handle a variety of projects. We recently had a DIY day at home, and I thought this would be the perfect tool to bring along. The dual functionality really shone through, allowing me to switch between tasks without needing multiple tools. It fires 18-gauge brads from 5/8 inch to 2 inches and 1/4 inch crown staples from 5/8 to 1 5/8 inches. The depth adjustment wheel was easy to use, which let me quickly adapt to different materials. The rotating exhaust feature is another highlight, allowing me to direct air away from my face while working in tight spaces, which is always a plus in my book. On the pros side, it has a hassle-free nose latch for quick jam clearing, and the quick-release magazine holds up to 100 fasteners, making reloading a breeze. The hard-shelled blow-molded case it comes in also made transporting it easy. However, a few users might find it slightly heavier at 5.44 pounds, especially during prolonged use. Some might also wish for a more robust build quality, but considering its price of around $41.79, it's hard to complain too much. In conclusion, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, versatile tool that can handle both brads and staples efficiently, the Wen 61722K is an excellent option. It's user-friendly and adoptable, making it perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. Product number 4, Aero Pneumatic Staple Gun. The Aero Pneumatic Staple Gun was another tool I was eager to test. I had some upholstery projects lined up, and this seemed like the right fit. Right out of the box, it feels solid and well built, designed for both professional and DIY applications. It comes with an impressive 3,750 pieces of staples, which is fantastic for someone like me who tends to go through them quickly. Using the Aero stapler was a breeze. The adjustable exhaust cover allowed me to direct airflow, which kept my workspace comfortable while I worked on a few furniture projects. The contact safety feature was reassuring. It requires contact with the nailing surface before firing, minimizing the risk of misfires. This is particularly important when you're working on delicate materials. Pros include its heavy-duty construction, ease of loading staples, and a viewing window that lets you see when you're running low. The grip was comfortable, which helped reduce hand fatigue during long sessions. However, it does require an air compressor, which is not included, so that's something to keep in mind. Some users may also find the learning curve a bit steep if they're not familiar with pneumatic tools. In conclusion, if you're diving into upholstery or general repair projects, the Aero pneumatic staple gun is a worthy investment. It's reliable, efficient, and built to last, making it a great addition to any toolbox.
Product number 5. The 3 Plus HT5014 SP Pneumatic Stapler. I had the chance to test the 3 Plus HT5014 SP Pneumatic Stapler. This tool stood out to me because of its lightweight design and ergonomic features. We had a couple of DIY furniture projects lined up, and I wanted to see how it would perform on upholstery and softwood tasks. At just $30.88, it's quite affordable, but I was curious if it would hold up under pressure. First impressions were positive. It feels sturdy yet lightweight, and the soft grip handle made it comfortable to use. The trigger lockout mechanism was a thoughtful addition, preventing accidental firings, a big plus when you're working on intricate details. The multi-directional exhaust cover rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to direct airflow in a way that suits your working environment. The stapler is compatible with T50 staples, which is excellent for upholstery and other softwood projects. I found that it performed well, driving staples consistently and providing a professional finish to my work. The only downside is that it requires an air compressor, which not everyone may have on hand. In conclusion, if you're looking for a budget-friendly pneumatic stapler that excels in upholstery and light woodworking, the 3 Plus HT5014 SP is a great option. It's comfortable to use, efficient, and perfect for anyone looking to tackle home improvement projects without breaking the bank. In conclusion, each of these pneumatic staple guns offers unique features and benefits that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, investing in one of these tools can significantly improve your projects. Choose the one that fits your style and get ready to tackle your next project with confidence.